Yeah, hello everyone. Now I'm in Bobo Cabin in Baturaden, central of Java, Indonesia, and this is still in this so nature. You can see that, and then maybe after 5 minutes I will walking in around. Yeah, it's so beautiful, snow, so nature, awesome. Okay, we will to walking and check. Okay, hold on. And I'm living in there. This small room, and it's all included with the bed. It's not bed up, it's like shower and closet and king size of bed. Okay, and yeah, it's close with the Slamet mountain, but you can see in there it's just tree, only tree. I don't know what is the name of tree. It's so quiet here, and the price is I'm booking today, and the price is maybe 700,000 in rupiah. It's like 70 dollar in Australian dollar, and maybe 40 more, $40 in USD. I like that. I like this. Okay. Okay, enough. Maybe I will go back to my room, and I'm looking forward to dinner because now it is at 4:25. I need to uh, I need to check for maps, and I'm looking for the restaurant. Okay, see you next time. Bye.